HIV and AIDS. HIV is a disease well known in today's society because it's becoming more common every day. It has been stated that more than 1.1 million people in the US are living with HIV today, and 1 out of 7 of them don't have knowledge of it at all. So, the human immunodeficiency virus, known as HIV, weakens a person's immune system by destroying important cells that fight disease and infection. It is usually a sexually transmitted infection, but it can also be spread by contact with infected blood or from mother to child during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding as well. So, HIV goes through various stages during its process. It goes through acute HIV infection, which is flu-like symptoms that occur days to weeks after contracting HIV. Then it goes to chronic HIV, also known as the latent or asymptomatic stage. It can last for several years. And the most common one is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, known as AIDS. And it occurs when CD4 cell counts fall below 200. It makes a person vulnerable to opportunistic infections and AIDS-defining conditions. Okay, so basically, AIDS is a chronic, potentially life-threatening condition caused by HIV. It is one of the most severe and common phases of HIV infections, and it occurs when your immune system is badly damaged and you become vulnerable to opportunistic infections, which are infections that occur more frequently and more severe in individuals with weakened immune systems, including people with HIV. So when the number of your CD4 cells fall below 200, you're considered to have progressed AIDS. So is there any cures for HIV? Up to today, there's no cure yet, but it can only be controlled by getting treatment and enabling people to live a long and healthy life. Researchers still believe a cure can be found, so there is still hope for HIV. But for AIDS, there will never be a cure because it is a defining set of symptoms rather than a virus like HIV. And right now, there are 2 types of cures that are being researched, which are functional and sterilizing cures for HIV, and where functional would suppress the amount of HIV virus in the body to such low levels that it can't be detected or make you ill, but it will still be present. And sterilizing cure is one where the HIV virus is eradicated from the body completely, including from hidden spots.